this is the, remember you guys when we were talking it's quite an important question, John, and it is a decision that you have to make based on case by case. So for example, if you look at this here, for example, this is my structure point that's there, and you see a break like this. This is what we were talking, if you remember, on the on FX3, and we said we're going to buy it above 138.36. Remember? Now, once I get this break above my structure point with this kind of power, okay, then I have to take it. If you can see that momentum coming in, then you have to jump in. If you see just nibbling at it and it just slow, then you can wait until you get the pullback right here. Look at this. That's the push, and that's your pullback. So there is no one cookie cutter. It's a decision that you have to make, and you can make that decision as long as you have identified the 136, the 138.36 as your buying point. So you can always make a decision if you are going to, I'm just getting it there, if you're going to buy it at the first time or you're going to wait for the pullback. You're going to make that decision. But the beauty again, John, is when you take that first trade and you get paid, and wherever you decide to take your profit, and then the market comes back again to the one, look at this, it comes to the 138 again and it stops. You got a little break, and there towards the end of the day you will buy it again, and you would have taken two easy trades in the euro dollar right above the 138.36, and both of them were gainful trades. Okay? So with this, yes, I want to be buyer of the euro, but I have to be careful because this is an extreme close. So I want to make sure that it takes out the high of the day, which is the 139 handle. So I want to buy the euro dollar above the 139 when it takes out the high. So, and that was actually the buy from last week. If you look at this, this was our buying point from last week. And in this case, my short point, because we closed the week 138.92, I have my structure point here, which is the 138.36. This has to be 36. So that is going to be my short point, my structure short. And it is going to be my stop. And on the long side, if I'm going to buy it up to 139, I'll place my stop below 138. Oops. 138, my stop is going to be 138.59. And my structure long, I have to get my structure. My structure long in this case is the 139.68. All right. So for the euro dollar, we want to make sure that it takes out the high, which is the 139. And if it does, I have a structure long at 139.68, which is only 68 pips above that, which is good. And if that's the case, my stop is going to be 138.59, so I'm risking about 40 pips on this trade. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 138.36, and that is my short point, my structure short, and my short stop. So you guys, if it breaks below the 138.36, now that is going to be a powerful short. You can take it and you can give it room to work. Okay?